The Voynich Manuscript. History's most unbreakable code, the Voynich Manuscript has been a source of fascination and frustration for scholars, cryptographers, and history enthusiasts alike. Known as the world's most mysterious book, this 15th-century manuscript contains a strange script, unrecognizable plants, and mysterious illustrations that defy easy explanation. Discovered over 100 years ago, it remains one of the most debated and enigmatic artifacts in the study of ancient texts. The discovery of the Voynich manuscript in 1912, a Polish-American antiquarian and rare book dealer named Wilfrid Voynich stumbled upon the manuscript in a Jesuit college in Italy. Realizing its unique nature, he purchased it and spent years trying to uncover its origins and meaning. Voynich believed the manuscript was of incredible historical value, and his find was eventually named after him as the Voynich Manuscript. He devoted his life to studying it, but even after years of research, he died without discovering its secrets. The manuscript contains over 240 pages filled with handwritten text and hundreds of illustrations. Scholars date it to the early 15th century through carbon dating, yet it has no author or origin that can be verified. There is no title, no dedication, and no recognizable language, making it a historical anomaly that challenges scholars and cryptographers even today. The structure and content of the manuscript, the Voynich manuscript, is divided into several sections, each with unique and puzzling illustrations. The botanical section, the largest section of the manuscript, containing drawings of over 113 plants. However, none of these plants match any known species, leaving botanists puzzled. Some appear to be hybrids of real plants, while others look entirely alien, with strange roots and foliage. The astronomical section. This part of the manuscript includes star charts, zodiac symbols, and cosmic diagrams. Constellations are depicted, but many of the symbols and illustrations differ significantly from any known astronomical representations. Some researchers believe this section hints at a lost knowledge of the cosmos or as a symbolic representation of mystical beliefs. The biological section, featuring numerous illustrations of nude female figures in interconnected tubes or pipes, this section has baffled scientists. Some think the pipes represent a metaphysical idea of life and birth, while others argue it may be an early attempt at medical or anatomical knowledge. The pharmaceutical section. Drawings of herbs, containers, and alchemical symbols populate this section, leading some to suggest the manuscript could be a medical or alchemical guide. The recipes section. This final part contains hundreds of short, structured paragraphs, resembling recipes or instructions. If these are indeed recipes, their purpose remains unclear, as the writing is unreadable and its content indecipherable. Theories behind the Voynich manuscript. Theories regarding the manuscript's origins and purpose abound, each more intriguing than the last. Here are some of the most popular explanations. The alchemical theory. Some historians believe the manuscript is a coded alchemical text. Alchemists in medieval Europe often wrote in symbols and code to keep their work secret from the church and competitors. The illustrations of plants and strange female figures could be allegories for various stages of alchemical processes or ingredients used in potions and remedies. A medical encyclopedia. Certain researchers propose that it was a medical guide written in an unknown or lost language, perhaps meant for healing practices. The manuscript sections could represent herbal remedies, medical procedures, and even early medical knowledge encoded to protect it from misuse. A ciphered language. The idea that the text is in a lost language or coded script is widely debated. Cryptographers, including some of the best World War II codebreakers, have analyzed the structure of the text and found statistical patterns that mimic real language, but no clear key or cipher has been identified. Some have suggested that it could be an extinct language or a unique writing system that has not yet been deciphered. A hoax or nonsense text. A more skeptical theory suggests the manuscript is a hoax, perhaps created to deceive a wealthy collector or even as a hobby for its creator. Some argue that the writing is random gibberish, crafted to give the impression of complexity. This theory remains controversial since the text structure shows regularity and order, making it difficult to dismiss as nonsense. An extraterrestrial or unknown civilization. One of the more outlandish but captivating theories is that the manuscript was written by an advanced or non-human civilization. Proponents suggest that its strange plants and astronomical charts might represent knowledge from another world or a highly advanced civilization that predated known history. Attempts to decipher the Voynich Manuscript. Deciphering the Voynich Manuscript has been a monumental challenge. Early on, scholars believed it could be a cipher or encoded message, so cryptographers and linguists tried various decoding methods. During World War II, codebreakers from the British and American military attempted to crack its code, but even with their expertise, they couldn't unlock its secrets. More recently, AI and machine learning algorithms have analyzed its structure, but even they failed to find a consistent pattern. In 2019, one researcher claimed he had partially decoded it as a Proto-Romance language, proposing that it was a medical text meant for women's health. However, his findings were met with skepticism, as many linguists questioned his methods and interpretations. The manuscript's strange illustrations, a window into an unknown world. The artwork in the Voynich Manuscript remains as mysterious as the text itself. The botanical illustrations, in particular, depict plants that don't exist, leading some to speculate that the manuscript was an attempt to record exotic flora. Others believe the illustrations were deliberately altered to obscure the plant's true identities. The presence of nude female figures in interconnected tubes has led to various interpretations. Some believe it's a symbolic representation of fertility, others think it's an early attempt to illustrate the circulatory or reproductive systems, while still others view it as an alchemical symbol of life and rebirth. The enduring mystery and cultural impact. The Voynich Manuscript remains locked away in Yale University's Voynich Rare Book and Manuscript Library, where it continues to inspire researchers and conspiracy theorists alike. Books, documentaries, and YouTube channels are filled with new theories, captivating audiences with this unsolved puzzle of history. The mystery of the Voynich Manuscript has a timeless quality, representing humanity's quest for knowledge and our fascination with the unknown. It continues to invite exploration, and with each new attempt at understanding it, we are reminded of the depths of human curiosity and the allure of ancient mysteries. Conclusion. A puzzle unsolved. The Voynich Manuscript is more than an ancient book. It's a symbol of mystery that has endured through the centuries. Whether it holds a forgotten knowledge, a lost language, or is simply an elaborate hoax, the manuscript challenges our understanding of history and language. Its secrets remain locked, waiting for someone to uncover them. Until then, it stands as one of the greatest unsolved mysteries in history, sparking endless curiosity and wonder about the possibilities hidden within its pages. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe and press bell icon for more details.